Hey guys, Rob's Random Stuff here. Today we're going to do sausage, peppers, onions. Classic Italian dish. You'll see that at the boardwalks, any kind of Italian festivals. I'm sure you smelled the deliciousness. So we're going to get started today. Got this thing preheated. Let's see what we got here. 394, 390 around there. Just got some cheap sausage, nothing crazy, sweet Italian with fennel. Just gonna put that on, get these started. Gonna brown them up, get them about 3/4 of the way cooked through, and then we'll cut them up into pretty much quarter-sized pieces or so, nothing too big. You want them to fit inside the sandwich bun. Got my little lacrosse star out there. Don't mind the banging. Again, it's just some sweet Italian sausage. Pre-chopped. It's 2 red bells and 1 large white onion. And once we throw the veggies on, just garlic, salt, pepper, pinch of chili flakes for a little heat because we didn't go with the spicy today. So we're going to let these sizzle away. It's already smelling pretty good, I must say myself. And I'm going to let these sizzle up for a bit before I throw in the peppers and onions because we don't want those to cook too quick. So we'll let these sizzle up, and we'll come back in a couple minutes and we'll show you how you cut them up. Just cut up a couple and we'll throw the veggies on. See you in a minute. Alright. These sausages are sizzling away here. Just got a light cover, not all the way. Don't want to steam. Just going to lock in a little bit of heat. You can see those are looking pretty tasty already. As usual, got to welcome a special guest. In this case, a repeat guest. Victory Golden Monkey, 9.5%. Always delicious. Now, before we cut those up, we're going to go ahead, a little bit of olive oil on here just to get these things started. Rub it in. Going to get our peppers and onions rolling along here. Looks like a lot. It will melt down considerably once it cooks. Immediately, the smell is great. Here's our spices again. Garlic, salt, pepper, fresh ground of course, and a tiny bit of chili flake. Mix this around. And get this going. Best we can out here. Looks like a lot, but we like flavor here. Now, get a little bit of water. It's in the middle. Create some steam. Cover it up. Want those vegetables to break down. Now, just have a little small cutting board out here. Super sharp Wusthof knife. See, there's a pretty good sear on here. They'll cook more. We'll probably cook 3/4 of the way through. We'll probably see a little pink in here. I'm gonna go ahead, slice these up. You don't want them too big. See, it's a little pink in there. No big deal. That's going to continue to cook. You see how sharp this knife is. Always keep your knife sharp. They're safe. And you get these really, really clean cuts. Go ahead and just put those back on. I'll do one more for you. See, the juice is just squirting everywhere. Just decently thin slices. Once you put these on the roll, you want a good mouthfeel. You don't want gigantic chunks of sausage in your mouth. Like I said, it's a little pink, but you want to be able to cut it. That's the only reason why I'm cutting them now. It'll still be plenty juicy. And we'll just do one more. Real quick. You can be fancy and cut them on the bias a little bit. You don't really have to show off excellent knife skills. This isn't a competition. It's backyard grilling. I can tell you, it really smells good. I always say I wish there was smell-o-vision. Alright, I won't bore you anymore with the cutting. You see we already got great steam. We'll give these a little flip. These really don't take too long to break down. Smell is getting crazy already. Just gonna throw a little bit of olive oil, not too much, it's good EVOO. Throw that on there, a little water, and favorite brewski. Just keep that in there for some steam. Cover it up, let it steam up. You can see everything sizzling away. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting this stuff up. We'll let it cook. And we'll be back in a couple minutes and we'll show you how we're moving along here. Alright, these have been cooking maybe 10-12 minutes after I chopped them all up. You can see that turned out to be a lot of sausage. Give these a little flip so you can see it's already pretty crispy. Just nice, crispy, nice crispy edges. Get a little texture in there. Nobody likes a mushy sausage. A little caramelization. Bring out the flavor. Come back here. See, that's looking outstanding. The veggies, I flipped a couple quick times. We don't even need this lid anymore. We're good. These are looking and smelling great. Onions broken down, peppers broken down. The smell is crazy. We're going to combine that is ridiculous. Anybody who's watching this video obviously likes sausage and peppers. You know what this stuff smells like. Getting a little bit of the grease residual from the sausage all mixed in. Extra flavor. I don't care what anybody says, that's boardwalk quality for sure. Absolutely smelling great. I'll plate this up for you guys. Try not to spill too much. Mouth is watering. As you can see, I cooked plenty. Just 3 of us eating. So there will be leftovers, which is even better. Because you will want to eat this a few more times, because you're not getting tired of this deliciousness. Breakfast, put this in your eggs. Lunch, little sandwich, leftover dinner, same thing. Alright, looking good here, folks. You want to go in, serve this up, just put on any kind of your favorite Kaiser roll, long roll, whatever you want, whatever you like. Carb free, no roll, whatever you want. Looking good though. So we will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, cook, keep cooking, learn from my videos, whatever. It's all good as long as you're cooking. Alright guys, stay random. Peace.